Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this adorable baby top called Luca using my pattern, so let's just jump right in. As a start, of course, we need to cut out all of the pattern pieces. I'm gonna double fold the edge of the pocket and then top stitch it. Then I'm gonna cut a little bit from the sides just to make it even. I'll fold the top in half to mark the position of the pocket, and then I'll fold the edges inside by 1 centimeter, and then continue to stitch the pocket to the top. And then once the pocket is finished, I'm gonna sew the front and back pieces together on the shoulders. And as you can see, the top already looks much more as a top. And then I'm gonna open the seam and place the sleeve panel inside. I'm gonna start by pinning the center of the sleeve to the armhole and then continue to pin it to the left and to the right. I truly find this technique to be the simplest when it comes to attaching the sleeves to the baby clothes, because since the armhole is very small, it would be very difficult to go around it. And then pin the sleeves and the armholes along with the side seam together. Sew them together with 1 centimeter seam allowance and overlock that seam. To finish off the cuff, I'm just gonna fold them twice and top stitch. Since the sleeves are so tiny, it's a bit difficult to make it, so just take your time and go very slow. As for the hem, I'm gonna overlook the raw edge and then fold it by 1 centimeter and top stitch. For the neckline, I'm just going to use this ribbed trim. It stretches, so it gives more comfort to put it on and put it off. I'm going to fold it in half just to mark the center front and center back. And then with the top on the right side, I'm going to align the neckline to the top and pin them both together. And then once I go to the end, before I start sewing them together, I'm just going to join the pieces together. And then just sew the neckline to the top with 1 centimeter seam allowance. And of course, at the end, I'm just going to press everything nicely so it looks nice and smooth. And that's your top Luca ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.